Pandas read underscore CSV, reading a boolean with missing value specified as an int. I am trying to import a CSV into a Pandas data frame. I have boolean variables denoted with 1s and 0s, where missing values are identified with a -9. When I try to specify the dtype as boolean, I get a host of different errors, depending on what I try. Sample data, test.csv. I try to specify the dtype as I import. I get the following error. Value error, cannot safely convert past user dtype of vertical bar B1 for N64 dtyped data in column 0. I have also tried specifying the true and false values. But then I get a different error. Exception, must be all encoded bytes. The source code for the error says something about catching the occasional none, but nones or nulls are exactly what I want.
You can specify the converter's parameter for the var1 column.
Can you do something like this? T should create you a new column, and if you are satisfied you can just copy over the old one.